Okay, and so after you do your instrument and forceps count and your knife handles, go ahead and do your retractors. I mean, the order doesn't matter, just make sure you get all of them. The ribbon retractors.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch ribbon retractor.
So there's 3 in there,
Yeah.
and then you just name the measurements. Diva retractor.
1 inch, 1 inch, 1 2 inch deeper.
Correct. You want to pull them out.
Yeah, so 1 inch deeper, 1 2 inch deeper.
Okay. And then Harrington large. We don't have that.
Oh,
Right?
the sweetheart. Yeah,
It's a sweetheart. We don't have that, but you'll be able to tell because the end kind of looks like the heart. And then Richardson. Small.
Oh, okay. So we have your Richardson small, one.
Okay.
1 Richardson small.
Richardson medium.
1 Richardson medium.
Kelly.
1 Kelly large.
Okay. So that Kelly large in the field, I guess it would be called the big Richardson, but
Yeah.
it's technically a Kelly.
Yeah.
Army Navies.
1 2 Army Navy.
Okay. And then weight laner blunt.
1 2 weight laner blunt.
Okay. Goulet. And then we don't have that
We
one.
don't have goulet.
But it's gonna have like kind of like this on both sides.
Yeah. No handle.
No handle. And then Balfour with bladder, blade, and wing nut.
So we're about 4. 1 2 3 4 5 and wing nut.
There you go. And so for that one, it would technically be 1, but you would just count the parts and then the wing nut. And that's it for the retractors. Okay, and there's the section, the pull
Pulley
section
with guard.
with guard.
1.
Just make sure you verbalize with guard. And then we would also have yank hour, but we don't have like a hard one. We just have the disposable one, but that wouldn't be in your count. Okay, the last part after counting everything is you're gonna go ahead and transfer your irrigation to the sterile field. And so before we do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and go by the ST with a reasonable distance and read out the name of the medication, how much it is, as well as the expiration date. And we both have to be able to visualize it and say it. Okay. So it's 0.9% sodium chloride irrigation, 500 mils, expiration 6/21. Okay. And he has to try to memorize that because he has to label it after the transfer. I'm just opening
So
it.
as a ST, you want to like make sure that you give yourself enough space so that you don't splash on your sterile field by accident. Just gonna extend your arm out like this.
And as a circulator, it's just going to be a straight drop. So no like lagging or anything like that. Just go straight above it. Ready?
Yeah. When you're receiving fluids, remember to keep your arm up. Because I dropped it.
There you go. And so I didn't like linger or try to shake it into the thing.
Now I'm gonna get.
He's gonna go ahead and label it. So there should be a sterile pen as well as sterile medication labels.
There's 2 tips. The black one is for labeling, and this one is for skin.
Okay.
Don't get them confused.
And there's like little indicators too on the pen. I think there should be.
Yeah, utility and skin.
There you go.
You don't want that skin touching anything else.
Because if you put the utility, like use that on the patient, it may be permanent.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go here. So we had 0.9% saline irrigation.
Also known as sodium chloride. And then, there you go.
You peel it off with our gloves, which is really hard to do.
And then I would just do that over the sterile field so it doesn't drop.
And just go ahead and plop it on there.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay.
And that's it.
If you can read that, but yeah.